Hello again. Welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. A fair bit of clouds and a fair bit of rain around on Saturday. Some of it could be heavy. There's a Met Office thunderstorm warning in place for Saturday afternoon and evening. However, it does all ease off overnight and not completely dry, but Sunday looks a brighter day, and that should be something that trends into next week. But before we get there, we do have to deal with the wet weather sweeping in. Well, I say sweeping in, it's more edging in. It's moving fairly slowly as it spreads north across Scotland, creeping into western parts of England and also across much of Wales through the night. So soggy for many, but I suspect much of eastern England will stay dry. And look at the temperatures here, holding up at 17 Celsius, a really quite warm night. So not a cold start to Saturday, but it will be a dull and for many damp start. Maybe some morning brightness over eastern England, some hazy sunshine here. Northwest Scotland also not too much rain here with a bit of sunshine, but elsewhere outbreaks of rain moving north, followed by brighter skies, but a bit of sunshine for Wales and southwest England is likely to spark some big thunderstorms during the afternoon, and they could cause some problems as they could across Northern Ireland, and so we do have Met Office yellow warning in place. Temperature-wise, well, before the rain arrives, as I said, a bit of brightness. Could see temperatures in East Anglia up to 22 or 23, 20 degrees possible on the Moray Firth as well. But for most of the UK, we're looking at high teens, low 20s, maybe 21 or 22 in the southwest if we do see some decent spells of sunshine. But as I mentioned, the brightening up behind that first band of rain will spark some thunderstorms, an increasing chance of seeing them. Initially Wales, southwest England, Northern Ireland, but as the rain clears, also parts of Northern England and the Midlands. So we do have a Met Office yellow thunderstorm warning in place through the afternoon and evening. Slow-moving downpours, some pretty bleak conditions on the roads, a lot of spray and surface water, and with thunderstorms around, always the potential for power issues too. Pretty heavy rain across parts of southern Scotland also, and the thunderstorms will rumble on, I suspect, well into the evening, but they do tend to ease off through the early hours, and the more persistent rain will also tend to ease across northeast England and eastern Scotland. So looking a bit drier as we start Sunday. Again, it'll be a relatively warm start to the day with temperatures mostly in the teens. And Sunday itself, drier and brighter, still a lot of cloud, quite a grey morning for much of eastern Scotland, northeast England, with some drizzly rain here. And we will see some showers developing through the day, parts of the Midlands and eastern England in particular, but perhaps more scattered than the showers on Saturday, and perhaps not as intense either. Potential for some heavy rain for Lincolnshire and parts of East Yorkshire and northern parts of East Anglia for a time on Sunday. But certainly further west, many places looking largely dry and bright on Sunday with a bit more sunshine around. It'll feel a bit warmer, even though temperatures will mostly still be at or below average, high teens, low 20s in places. But that drier weather in the west is a sign of things to come. As high pressure moves in next week, it's looking an awful lot drier for much of next week, sunnier as well. And although not spectacularly hot, it will also start to feel a little bit warmer too. For more details on that, make sure you're following the Met Office on social media, and for the very latest on warnings, make sure you've got the Met Office app, or of course you can check out the latest on our website.